Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that a lot of you have been asking: how much cash can I deposit at Regions Bank? But before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why this is even a question. Why would you want to deposit a large amount of cash into a bank account? There could be a number of reasons. Maybe you're selling something and you want to avoid paying credit card fees. Maybe you're getting a cash gift from a family member or friend. Or maybe you're just trying to build up your savings. Whatever the reason, it's important to understand the rules and regulations around cash deposits. So, let's get into the details. How much cash can you actually deposit at Regions Bank? The answer is, it depends. There are a few different factors that will come into play, including the type of account you have, the bank's policies, your relationship with the bank. Let's start with the type of account you have. Different types of accounts have different deposit limits. For example, a checking account might have a lower deposit limit than a savings account. Next, let's talk about the bank's policies. Each bank has its own set of rules and regulations regarding cash deposits. Some banks have higher limits than others. Finally, let's consider your relationship with the bank. If you're a new customer, you may have a lower deposit limit than if you're an existing customer with a good relationship with the bank. So, what's the bottom line? How much cash can you actually deposit at Regions Bank? The best way to find out is to contact your local Regions Bank branch and ask them directly. They will be able to tell you what the specific limits are for your account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when depositing cash at Regions Bank. Be prepared to provide identification. You may need to show a driver's license or other form of ID. Be aware of the bank's hours of operation. You may not be able to make a large cash deposit after hours. Consider using a bank's mobile app or online banking to make deposits. This can be a more convenient option than going to the bank in person. So, there you have it. That's how much cash you can deposit at Regions Bank. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.